Hello there, lovely people. Thank you and welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. When was the last time you enjoyed gari and beans with fried plantain, a popular street food in Ghana, and it is also popularly known as Gobɛ? Let's get right into it. I'll start to soak my beans. This is about 2 cups of beans, and then I'll add enough water to cover the beans. We'll be soaking this for about 10 to 15 minutes to release some of the gas. And then once it is nicely soaked, give it a thorough wash and then into my pot, which I've already begun boiling my water. You don't necessarily have to do this. We'll be boiling this until it is nicely tender, about 30 minutes or so. Whilst the beans is cooking, I'll start to peel my plantains and then cut it up into my preferred sizes. Most of the time, this is the original way the plantains are cut. It is mostly cut in a slanted way, like like how you're seeing it in the video. You can as well cut it in rounds or any size or shape you prefer. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please kindly subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you. I'm all done peeling and cutting my plantains. I'll season it with salt. I'll add a bit of water, give it a nice stir, and then we'll begin to fry. And before frying, I'll go ahead to check on my beans and it is doing very well. Cover it to continue cooking. To a pot, I'll add in oil. I'll allow it to heat up and then I'll begin to fry my plantains until it is golden brown. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support and always coming back to watch my videos. God bless you so much. Please kindly continue sharing and commenting on the videos. Like I said earlier, Gobɛ or Gari and beans is one of Ghanaians' favorite street food. Actually, it's very popular. It is nutritious, it is delicious, and very, very comforting. So on this day, I was craving for Gobɛ and I said, why not? I had all the ingredients. It is so, so good and satisfying. So my first batch of the plantains are done. So I'm going ahead to fry the second batch. And once that turns golden brown, I removed it out of the oil and I was ready to attend to my beans because it is almost ready. About 25 to 30 minutes, my beans is looking good. I checked it, it is nicely tender. So at this point, I'll be adding in some sliced onion, which is a must add. I will season it with salt to taste and then give it a nice stir. Allow it to cook for another 8 to 10 more minutes and it will be ready to be served. And whilst that was cooking for about 10 minutes, I went ahead to prep my hot peppers, just a blend of habanero peppers, onion, and salt. And I also boiled some eggs. Guys, you need to have all of this to enjoy a complete Gobɛ meal or Gari and beans meal. My beans is perfectly cooked. It is just the way I want it. So I'll remove it from flame and then set it on the side. Now let's begin to melt the palm oil and then we'll be adding some onion to the palm oil as well. You need to infuse the oil with some sliced onion and then I'll be adding in my hot pepper mix. So guys, make this the way you want. And I wanted to make sure that I enjoy the street style or the street way. So once the sliced onion was added to the palm oil and then I added my hot pepper, I allowed it to fry for about 3 minutes, stirring periodically, and then it was ready to be taken off flame. You don't want to burn the onion or the pepper mix. So now it is time to enjoy the gobe or gari and beans with fried plantain, guys. So serve it the way you always enjoy. And so I started with the beans and then I'm spreading a little bit of gari and then my palm oil infused with the onion and the hot pepper mix. And always add the palm oil or the gari to the way you want it. So I'll add a bit more palm oil and then we'll be adding the plantains, the fried ripe plantains, okay? And please don't forget your avocado. The avocado takes this to another level. And then I'm adding my egg or my kusiani moko, guys, and some red onion. So this is just boiled egg with garnish of the hot pepper mix that I blended. to add to the palm oil, and then I added some red onions as well. So this is just a complete meal and it fills you up, guys. All you need is water. Thank you so much for staying with me until this time. Now, until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. And you're all invited to enjoy this delicious soul food with me. Thank you. God bless you. Bye, guys.